the bread of kindness, and the echo of deeds. Narration and script by Riazul Islam Khan. Once upon a time, there was a poor woman who baked 2 loaves of bread every morning. One loaf was for her family, and the other she placed on her window so that any hungry passerby could take it. Each day, as she set out that second loaf, she prayed for her son, who had left home in search of a better life. Months passed, and she received no news of him. Still, she kept praying for his safety and return. As time went by, she noticed that a hunchbacked man came every day, took the bread from her window, and left. Instead of thanking her, he repeated the same phrase over and over. What you do wrong stays with you. What you do right returns to you. The woman grew angry. Every day he says this. What does it mean? She thought. One morning, fed up with his fed up with his ingratefulness, she decided enough was enough. I am tired of this wretched man, she told herself, and she mixed poison into his bread. But as she was about to place it on the window, her hands began to tremble. What am I doing? She thought, frightened. She threw the poisoned loaf into the fire, baked a fresh one, and placed it outside as usual. That afternoon, the hunchbacked man arrived, took the bread, and before leaving said his usual line, what you do wrong stays with you. What you do right returns to you. He had no idea how close he had come to death, or how quickly his words would prove true. That evening, there was a knock at the door. When the woman opened it, she was stunned. Standing there was her son, looking frail, thin, pale, weak, his clothes torn. Mother, he said, his voice trembling, it's a miracle I am back. I was only a mile away, but I was so hungry I thought I would die. I collapsed by the roadside, and an old hunchbacked man lifted me up. He gave me his only loaf of bread, saying he could tell I needed it more than he did. The woman's face went pale, and she clenched the door frame. The poisoned loaf, the fire, the stranger's words, it all rushed back to her. If she had not burned that loaf, her own son would have died. In that moment, she finally understood. In that moment, she finally understood the truth of the phrase, what you do wrong stays with you. What you do right returns to you. She realized that one should always do good, whether anyone sees it or not, because the good you send out into the world will come back to you. Thank you.